Good Monday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchurch, and this is your outlook for April 13th, 2015. And we have high pressure that's going to move off to our east today. Cold front approaching from the west, and that's going to mean very warm temperatures here. We're going to have a surge of temperatures with winds out of the south here. Cold front still sitting right back here in this area here, attached to this low pressure up north of the Great Lakes here. So this is going to be moving in overnight and early tomorrow morning. So out ahead of it, we're going to have these warm southerly winds. Temperatures are going to be very, very warm today. So this is, at least for this time of year, temperatures are a few degrees either side of 60 degrees for this time of year. And this is what we're looking at this afternoon. This is the composite of the NAM, but pretty much every model is showing the same thing, with 70s getting all the way up into the Poconos here. Maybe some upper 60s at the higher elevations here, but pretty much everywhere else we're in the lower 70s across the entire region. Very, very nice day across our coverage area here. Get out and enjoy it if you can. I know it's Monday. Good day to play hooky. I didn't say that, though. Good day to play hooky. Good idea. Okay, so we get a little bit further here. We're going to go watch this cold front move a little bit further to the east here. Now, this is looking at the beginning of the overnight hours, or the evening hours here. Still have this situated off to our northwest. The precipitation finally starts coming in the overnight period, mainly after midnight here. And, of course, here's the cold front moving down to the southeast with it. Let's go over to another vantage point. This is also the NAM high res, and we're going to get into that right now. Here's the simulated radar at 2 a.m. So you can see it's starting to get into our northwest zones here at 2 a.m. And as we go to a point just 3 hours later, see, it's widely scattered here, but you got some showers over here. This is now looking at 5 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday, and then going into about 8 o'clock in the morning, starting to press further off to the southeast here, and then start consolidating here by the late morning hours. It starts wrapping up here. There's a chance that it could hang on a little bit in our southeastern zones, could hang on all the way up to about noon. So that might hang, or maybe even slightly after that. It's kind of one of those tricky situations. If the front gets hung up a little bit, it could be turning into one of those bust days on Tuesday. Right now, we're optimistic that this will be a morning showers giving way to partial clear in the afternoon, but I can see a situation where this lingers a little bit longer. Okay, especially the further southeast you go in our coverage area here, across Delaware, South Jersey, southeastern PA. If you're up in northeastern PA, I think you're okay. But I can see how this front gets hung up here and gets some extra clouds and maybe a few isolated showers Tuesday afternoon yet. And just preparing you in the just in case, because I don't want to hear any grumbling if this happens. Nothing I can do about it. Just telling you there's some models indicating, like this one here, that this is going to hang on a little bit longer Tuesday afternoon. And if it does, not a big deal. We're going to have the sun will come out the next day. All right. GFS is a little bit faster with this and dries it out here in the afternoon here on Tuesday, so that's why we're going optimistic, sticking with the GFS, hoping that this high pressure behind it comes in a little bit faster and kicks this down to the southeast. And if that's the case, we should set up for a nice day on Wednesday. Same thing on Thursday, nice day. High pressure is actually going to be sitting right on top of us on Wednesday night and early Thursday morning. And then Thursday should be okay. We're going to have a cutoff low here, and I don't really have this pictured here. I don't really want to get into too much detail. But basically, we're going to have a cutoff low here in the southern plains. It's going to kind of make its way northeastward toward the Great Lakes region. Take its time doing so. So it's going to provide the opportunity for some showers, hit or miss, anytime Friday. Could be just some clouds and a mostly cloudy with a few showers here Friday. And Saturday here. The GFS really is not that impressed with it. This could be one of those deals where it could just be a mostly cloudy and barely rain at all, or with high precipitable water values that are in place, you could have some pretty moderate rainfall. It's one of those things where the models are not in agreement with it this time, so we're going to kind of wait and see how this cutoff low evolves. A lot of uncertainty involved with that. Of course, that's out down to the southern plains in here, and little pieces of energy are going to try to spit off of that and give us some very few chances of showers. That would be in the Friday-Saturday time frame, if that were to happen. So we'll keep the chance of showers, just moderate chances of showers both days right now, carried in the probabilities. But after that, it gets nice again. It looks like that we get nice again behind that cold front that moves through later Saturday, and turn out to have a nice Sunday at least to end your weekend. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchurch, and that is your outlook for April 13th, 2015. Have a great Monday.